Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the 2016 $50,000 home makeover winner Victoria Miller here on Ordway Drive in northeastern Fort Wayne. One of the things that we replaced on this home, besides the siding and the doors, okay, is we actually put a new rain removal system on. Now the rain removal includes your gutters and your downspouts and returns. Having a good rain removal system on your home is very important. One of the choices the homeowner made was to go with a 6-inch gutter system. And the reason why is that will take 60% more of the water off the roof. Most of our competitors will use a 5-inch gutter, but this traps a lot more water coming off the roof. And we use 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts, and compared to a 2-inch by 3-inch downspout that our competitors use, and that'll take the water out of the trough twice as fast. That protects your home, the foundation, the slab, and we put a leaf relief on top so that leaves don't fall in, and the homeowner now has a maintenance-free rain removal system, and one they don't have to get up on a ladder and clean all the time. Hey, look, if nothing else, if you don't want to get up on your ladder and clean anymore, the gutter's out, simply because it's not safe or it's too time-consuming, Key Exteriors can just put a leaf relief on top. If you think you need more than that, you'd like us to come out and take a look at it, one of our friendly staff will come out and they'll actually do a full inspection. If they decide that your existing gutters are good enough to keep, we can just fix them up a little bit for you and clean them out, put the leaf relief on top, we will. But if you need brand new gutters, we'll go ahead and make that recommendation. If you'd like to find out more about how a rain removal system will improve the value of your home and protect your foundation, give us a call at 492-8062 or go to our website at keyexteriors.com, fill out a form and send it to us. Or if you'd like to sign up for the $50,000 home makeover for 2019, go ahead and sign up online or come into the showroom at 821 West Coliseum Boulevard, just west of Chuck E. Cheese's and north of the Fort Wayne Children's Zoo.